If AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or cloud service provider are terms which are obviously becoming common in businesses, if you haven't heard about it, this is the video for you. In this video, we'll talk about why do businesses have to think about having a presence in cloud like an AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, IBM, Oracle. There's plenty more. But in this video, we'll focus on why is it even important for someone to even consider that's going down this path. Now, if you don't know what cloud is, you might want to check out the video on I'm just going to leave a link somewhere here. There's a video where we talk about what is cloud. So check that out and maybe come back over here and then I'll talk about why it is important for a business. So businesses are right now facing challenges with people working from home. COVID is extending lockdowns, and now we're thinking about what are some of the secure ways of accessing our company data from outside. Being a cybersecurity person, I can totally relate to this. Now, you may think that what is that to do with cloud? The reason you want to think about cloud is because traditionally, when people were using data centers, they had people physically visiting data centers to change servers, manage servers, do a lot of different things. Sure, you could outsource them if you wanted to, but in majority cases, people had inside employees who would go into data centers on a periodic basis and basically refresh servers, refresh laptops and everything. But that was not practical during COVID. So digital transformation was something that triggered a lot of changes to moving to cloud during COVID. It was already happening before, but now it started happening even more now. But I'm going to answer a few common questions that are asked by businesses when they try and go into cloud. And hopefully that helps you understand why cloud is going to be important. First of all, why do you care about cloud? Access to hardware is in minutes instead of months, which is what used to be a common case in data center. Is cloud secure? Some of the biggest companies in the world, including Netflix, Capital One, Spotify, name any company out there, all of them use cloud service providers as a way to have an edge from their competitors. Is cloud compliant? I have compliance requirements. Cloud has basically, when I say cloud, I obviously mean all the major cloud service providers. All of them have most of the compliance certifications you could think of, and they are all global. Yes, you can have access to any data center across the world with a matter of minutes. If you're in cloud already and you want to secure it as well, maybe before we go into the rest of the video, you should check out what our partners have to say about this. Lightspeed is an agentless, context-driven cloud security posture manager, or CSPM. In 2022, if you are trying to protect your cloud environment or understand the posture of it, you probably need two things: prioritization and the attack path. Once you have the attack path defined, you probably want some context for how do you prioritize something like this. And if you are looking for a cloud security posture manager tool like that, you definitely should consider Lightspin for it. And you can check out Lightspin on lightspin.io/Ashish for more information. I'll leave this in description in the comment as well. Thank you, Lightspin, for sponsoring the video, and do check them out on the link in the description. The last question being asked by people is, why do I care about cloud? If you want agility, if you want speed to market, if you want to be able to have an edge for having access to a global data center the size of Facebook.com or maybe even bigger within a matter of a few minutes, then you should think about cloud. If you have digital transformation there going on, you should think about cloud. If you want to be able to scale without the need to wait for hardware for years, you should think about cloud. Hopefully this video is helpful enough for you to think about at least why you should consider cloud as part of your next new project that you may be building in your environment, in the company. If not, I would love to answer a few more questions. Leave them in the comment below. Otherwise, like and share. And next time, subscribe to make sure you hear about the next cloud security video when it comes out. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.